Hello guys, today we're gonna play Can you still hear me? Hello? Um, I've been sorry I've not been uploading so because I have school. Today we're gonna try to finish the what now the Black Bears Black Bears quest. Ah! Dang bro. No, don't kill me. Do not kill me. If you kill me you gay. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button or the subscribe. And subscribe to Slime Gamer. He is my grandson. I don't know if he uploads a lot. We don't usually play because I've been playing with my classmates and just playing with my classmates and we have not been playing. I don't know why though. So let me just finish it. Okay, let me just. Sorry guys, I've been uploading for a long time. Sorry I could not upload the rivals and forgot where's the biggie. I don't know. Forgot. So I'm just gonna try the ant one. Wait, let me just see if I have enough. And too slow if you're saying this, please. Please. Give me something good. Please trade me into trade me something good in MM2. I am usually Filipino, but right now, speaking English. Do I have? Yes, let's go. Do I do this or not? We finish the quest. Oh yeah, I just said do this first. So we're just gonna go near the ants and kill them. I've been playing this game for a long time now. And I've been watching FGTV because he is I always wanted them to play Fishbone Simulator and finish the game. Just in the neighbor, the crow kind. That was the best video ever. That was my favorite video ever in FGTV. And you're just saying this. Why are you not playing Fishbone Simulator? It's a good game. I know it's boring, but it is probably a simulator. It takes time. So what the? Oh, I thought I just restarted. Oh no! I've only gone to the round where it's a big ant because I ran out of time because I didn't have I didn't have I didn't have more time to get this up. So I don't know. Yep, this is it. This is where I lost. I was gonna go. No, I didn't lost. I lost in the 20,000 thing. If you can hear me, keyboard, I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna finish this. Stop sometimes my Filipino language comes out like, ano to? Yung ganyan ba? Diba? So, I'm gonna try to speak English today. Ito sa work! May langgam. Ayan pala. I thought this is where I lost. That's why because why I have the volume on the Roblox, because I might get copyrighted. In the geometry dash, I didn't know how to not get copyrighted. Just now, I know how to not get copyrighted. So YouTube, because you hear a little of the business manager sound, please don't copyright me, please. I'm just a new YouTuber with 8 subscribers, 19, I forgot, because I've been watching my videos. But this, let's go, I finished that, let's go. This is the highest I've been. That's it. That's gonna be hard though. Yeah, I've been playing this game for a long time now. After this, I'm gonna upload the MM2 video, or I might upload the MM2 video after this. Okay. We have no school because of the, I do not know how to say it in the English language. May baha. You can translate it or see in YouTube what does baha mean. It actually, I would say, baha. Baha means like there's a flood. Oh, okay, flood. Okay, flood. Wow! Flood. There was a flood in Manila. Another. In other places too. Oh nah. Oh, dang. This is how. At least I got to. I was new about this. Wait, I'm just gonna. Mommy! Paano mo sabihin dati in English? Before. Oh. Before. I was new about this game, but now I've been grinder. Oh, this is not mine. Okay. Before I got 30 or 40 or 50 grinders. Oh. Let's leave it right now. I'm so sorry for not uploading for a long time. Because I was gonna upload and I forgot. So sorry guys. If you want to suffer, if you want to give it to all the suffering way, the hard way, and the slow way, do. And if you just want to do quest from Panda Bear and just quest only Panda Bear, You're cooked. He does a lot for. He does. He doesn't even give a lot of money, just 5,000. Just that. Just that. I usually recommend black bear, brown bear, and science bear. I'm trying to finish his behavioral study, that's his quest. And oh, this is the tell me in the comments what this what the snowflake do. In my treats, I have none. I have some actually. Because guys, if I was finding the video, the rivals and the piggy or something, I was finding it, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the piggy one, not the rivals though. If you want me to play Fortnite, that would be a long, oh my gosh, that would be a long, wait, what was that? Wait. So I guess I'm not active lately. If my friends want to get in a video, I'll make a video with them. But just not in the call because I have no. Here's an iPad but a computer. If call on a video on a cell phone and computer. So hard. Oh my god. And I was bro, I'm a bit good. I have a 20 minute streak. And guys, if tell me what does the stump smell do, if you could, I'm just gonna do this first. Alright, first one challenge. I'm gonna find that. 50 zombies. Alright. Do the brown bear stockings. Okay, I got it. What was that? My brick. Oh for the slingshot. Oh no. Like this. And this. In there and put you right there. Because this is a fighting game. Oh my god. Get out of here. Get out of here. You cannot be in here right now. So let's go. They're getting in. You should not be in here right now. Oh no. What? What the? Oh no. Ow. No, yeah. Bro. Make me. My bees doesn't sleep. Unlock a bee. Okay. What is it? What? Huh? What? There they are. What? There's one more. So guys, I'm just what the hell to do that? I got it. You talked, huh? Stop! You shall not pass! You shall not pass! Get out of here! Yes! Hey, you come on! You better get out of here, bro! Oh no. Why you do that? Please. Bro, why are they not helping? My dummies. No. It's gonna build. So just right now, build. No, build. Die. You what? No. What the? Minus 1 brick. Bruh. Oh, okay, those zombies. There's some over here. I'ma be ready. These are zombies all over. What do? Hey, get out of here. Just start, okay? Give me those, oh my god! I earn so much. Bricks, oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, flip. Oh. Wait. I'm just gonna do. What happened? What is this? Wait, there's problems here. Where did this fall? Where did this fall? Bro! What's happening right now? Just now this happened, bro. I was trapped. You're not going anywhere, my friend. Oh no, there's zombies. Oh no, no, this is not good. This is we're cooked. We're cooked. We're just cooked. We are cooked. GG's. GG's, Jack. We are cooked. We are finishing. Oh, bro. I'm cooked. I'm gonna find a big. No! I need to go to my base. Look at this bricks. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, oh my god. Die. Die. Bruh! I died. Get this. Put that there, cause it's damage. What is our plan? Oh my god. Fat boy. You fatty. Not you guys. The game. What am I saying? Slingshot. Let's go. Yippee! Got slingshot, bro. Said slingshot. Dummy. Let's go. Whoop you. Bro, does it? Ooh. Okay, why are there no walls here? Don't be. Why? Okay. Get out of here. Just get out of my sight. Get out of here, you dummies. Not you guys, okay, not you guys. The slimes. I need to get this before we lose. Never losing. GG's! And we're started. And only me and the another dude. Okay. So that is it for now, guys. See you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for now. Bye!